In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix secure boot not active or not turning on for Gigabyte and ASUS motherboards. Start by going to the advanced settings for your BIOS, then go to the boot options. For ASUS motherboards, select CSM. Compatibility Support Module. Then make sure Launch CSM is set to Disabled. For Gigabyte motherboards, make sure CSM support is set to Disabled. Now, go down and select Secure Boot. Disable Secure Boot, then set it back to Enabled. For ASUS, go back to the boot options, then open the Secure Boot options. Set Secure Boot Mode to Custom, then switch it back to Standard. For Gigabyte motherboards, set Secure Boot Mode to Custom, then switch it back to Standard. Select Yes to install factory defaults, then select No to save your changes. Save and exit your BIOS, then open your system information and check if Secure Boot state is turned on. If Secure Boot still isn't active, then go back into your BIOS and go back to the Secure Boot options. For ASUS, set Secure Boot Mode to Custom, then open the key management options. Click the button to install default Secure Boot keys. If you don't have the option, then choose to clear Secure Boot keys. Then select Yes to confirm. Now choose to install default Secure Boot keys, then select Yes. For Gigabyte, set Secure Boot Mode to Custom, then choose to restore factory keys. Choose Yes to install factory defaults, then No to save the changes. Save your changes and exit the BIOS. Secure Boot will now be active and turned on for your PC. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.